How to make no one can see your religion on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see your religion on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings, and here click profile information and go down until you find your religion. Here click this pen and go down. Here you will find it. Click this icon and click more options and click only me, and now just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.